So quickly, if this helps or if you learn anything new, smash the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and check out my website. It's called autohaus.com. The description is a link is in the description at the bottom, and check out my site. I sell like vintage rally gear, which is like, you know, speedometer t-shirts, and I fabricated some stuff that I'm selling on that website. If you don't buy anything, that's cool. Just go ahead, check it out for me, and do me a favor and just go ahead and share with your friends in your clubs and everybody that's into VW stuff. Thank you. Now, I bought CB Performance Space Saver manifolds. And what those do is they help you from having to have your carburetors pushed outwards, and also the adjustments are now done on the inside, so it flips right to left and left to right, and you just switch the linkage arm from the bottom to the top. See, this is at the top, it used to be at the bottom. So now we don't have to cut the inside, and we're able to access the adjustment screws. It makes that easier. You could do this, you don't have to fabricate this like I did. This is vintage racing stuff like from 1971. You can get a Doghouse style 36 horsepower, you know, a Doghouse 36 a 36 horsepower style Doghouse, I believe. So you should be able, if you have a Doghouse. Now, I added a Type 4 oil cooler and a cooler in this. So this has got the Type 4 cooler, which is a lot bigger. I fabricated that up. The ones I'm selling are just going to be stock cooler. Now, I have a stock exhaust that's been highly modified. I went ahead and cut the exhaust open. I added equal length tubing, and it's a little bit louder than what I wanted. I'll make a video of that right now and upload that. And I've got pea shooters, as you can see. Now the pea shooters, they're larger diameter, so they're on the loud side. Yes, if you want to ask, I know some of you guys are asking, why do I have a 12-volt regulator on a 6-volt generator? Now, this company, I'll put the link at the description below, is a company in Van Nuys, California. They wound these up for 12-volt. So this is a 12-volt regulator with a 6-volt generator body 12-volt. This is not cheap. Now, if you do this, I will tell you guys, you have to grab your Doghouse fan and drill the 6-volt holes like these into it. Otherwise, your shellac is going to melt out the bottom like it did here on me. So I overlooked that. So I have to take this apart and drill those holes out. So word of the wise, if you do this conversion, it's not, number one, it's not cheap, and it'll be time consuming. But it's my style. I like it, and you know, you guys like it, go ahead and hit the like button or the share, and hit the like button, subscribe, and then go ahead and share on Facebook if you guys can. And check out, number one, check out the website and just share the website. I appreciate it. Thanks for your time, guys. Be good.